Hi everyone! In this video you're going to learn how to do the spiral staircase knot. Starting with 2 cords, we're going to take the left outermost cord and cross it over to make a 4. Pass that cord behind your other cord and out through that hole. Pull it through, and keeping tension on the center cord, pull your outer cord up and around to create the knot. You're going to continue always on the same side to create a spiral effect. If you want to make a spiral in the other direction, you simply start your pattern using the other side. So we're going to use the right outermost cord, make a backwards 4, pass it behind, out through this hole, tension on the center cord, and pull up to create your knot, always continuing on the same side. So now you can see, depending on which side you knot on, the spiral goes in a different direction. You can also do a spiral knot around more than one cord. You're still going to use one outermost cord to make your knot, and you can knot around any number of cords you would like.